Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to allocate accounts to sale nature in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Setup module, expand Set Other Account Details, then open Allocate Accounts to Sale Nature. The screen displays a list of all accounts available in the system. At the top, the Sale Nature drop-down shows the different types of sale natures available in the software. By selecting the required sale nature, the system will automatically filter and display only those accounts that are linked or relevant to the selected sale nature. This helps easily identification of the accounts associated with selected sale nature. As you can see, we have selected the Interstate B2B sale nature, and the screen is displaying the accounts associated with this sale nature. You can also view accounts other than the selected sale nature by navigating to the Accounts in Other Sale Nature section. Let's change the sale nature of the account ABC Mart Delhi. For this, select the same account from the Select Accounts option. Before updating the sale nature, let's also verify the current sale nature of this account in the Setup New Accounts module as well. Select the same account. As observed, its current sale nature is Interstate B2B. Now, return to the Allocate Account to Sale Nature window and proceed to change the sale nature of the selected account. From the Sale Nature drop-down, select the nature you want to allocate to this account. Let's select Local B2B. After selecting the new sale nature, the account will move from this section and appear under the Accounts in Other Sale Nature section. To finalize the allocation, simply select the account and click Save. The process has been completed. Now, let's verify its impact in the Setup New Accounts module. As observed, the sale nature of the respective account has been successfully updated from Interstate B2B to Local B2B. This indicates that the sale nature has been successfully allocated to the account.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.